All right, just a quick little video today. Got this microwave and it worked, but the door wouldn't stay closed. So you'd push it closed and it'd just swing back open. So what I found was this little latch mechanism here is spring loaded and it's supposed to slide up and down. Well, you just got to get a thin tool like a thin screwdriver to pop this plastic surround out, and it's just held in there with a series of clips. And once that's out of the way, down here on the bottom there was just a little spring. Actually, let me do that real quick. All right, so you can just see these clips here, and this white piece just slides up and down, and there's a spring at the bottom. Now, the piece that I found was this little corner that had broken off. So it just came down and made like a J shape. And so I just took some pliers, and the straight end that was still on the spring, I just bent a little hook on it, hooked it back up, and then you snap your black pin back in place. And you do have to push a little harder to get the door to close, but everything works like it's supposed to. Quick fix for a microwave door that won't stay closed. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them down below. We'll catch you next time.